Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best Cricut machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Cricut Explore Air 2. The Cricut Joy is the newest machine released by Cricut, and it's been capturing the imagination of many crafters. The Cricut Joy was designed from the ground up to work with these new materials from Cricut. You can think of them as vinyl that you don't need a Cricut mat to use. You just load them into the machine and cut. In our tests, they work just as well as the previous versions, they're just a bit quicker and easier to use. This is where the Cricut Joy is supposed to shine. It's designed and advertised as a great entry-level machine for new crafters. It's also not all that much easier to use. It's the same software, just a more limiting machine that doesn't come with any starter materials to get you going. You also might have issues finding tutorials, because so many of them are designed for other Cricut machines. What we like. Inexpensive to get started, the cheapest Cricut machine we recommend. Cute, compact design that looks great in a cubby. Able to use smart materials to make projects without a cutting mat. Even though it only supports a max cutting width of 5.5 inches, it can cut materials up to 20 feet long. What we don't like. Doesn't draw and cut simultaneously because it lacks a dual carriage for tools. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cricut EasyPress Mini Heat Press Machine. Looking for a mini cutting machine? If so, look no further than the Cricut EasyPress Mini. It's capable of cutting up to 8.5 x 12 inches of paper and other materials. With this model, you can make smaller shapes and fonts beginning from a 1/4 inch to bigger cuts up to 11.5 inch. If you want a precisely detailed unit, this model is ideal for you thanks to the detailed and precise cutting capability. However, you will need a stable internet connection via a laptop or PC. The EasyPress Mini is quiet, small, and portable. It's perfect for passionate DIY crafters. You cannot miss to stick stickers in small places. The iron is really small, it feels sturdy and solid. It does not set temperature degrees, but has 3 snows. It heats up in a few seconds and warns with a beep when it reaches the designated mark. Very useful the base it brings, to leave it while you are working with it. Super recommended. Pros. Quiet operation. Works with different materials. Great for making smaller shaper and fonts. Precise and detailed cutting capability. Lightweight and portable. Cons. You need an internet connection to perform cuts. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. Cricut EasyPress 2 is worth your attention because of the 12 x 11 inches size, which makes it perfect for t-shirts, sweatshirts, banners, large blankets, and so on. It delivers an advanced iron-on outcome in just seconds thanks to the improved heat plate shape with a ceramic glazed surface. With this unit, you will get sharp temperature control until 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's easy to understand and utilize, but unfortunately, it's recommended for use in North America only. The insulated safety base and auto shutoff features provide peace of mind, while the lightweight, portable, easy-to-store design makes it the ideal travel heat press. The Cricut EasyPress 2 makes heat transfer projects on many blanks a breeze. It's as easy as setting the time and temp with our online heat guide, place the evenly heated EasyPress 2 plate on the project, and then enjoy long-lasting results. If you like what you read about this machine, make sure to get yours at Cricut Store before it goes out of stock. Pros. Ideal size for making larger crafts. Improved heat plate shape with a ceramic glazed surface. Precise temperature control. Cons. Expensive but worth the cost. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cricut Maker Champagne Color. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is the most popular model of Cricut cutting machine available right now. This Cricut has a 2x fast mode for working with paper, vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. It also comes in 3 pretty colors: mint green, pastel pink, and sky blue. If you use Cricut cartridges, the Explore Air 2 supports them. However, it doesn't have a touchscreen or keyboard, so you'll need an active internet connection or iPhone/iPad/Android to use them. It really feels like Cricut consulted crafters before they made this machine. All aspects of the storage are perfectly placed and convenient. The smaller accessory drawer even has a magnetic strip for securely holding replacement blades. This is where the Cricut Explore Air 2 excels. Compared to every other Cricut model reviewed, other than the Maker, it cuts faster and more accurately. When cutting paper or vinyl, you can use its 2x fast mode, which trades accuracy for speed, so make sure to perform a test cut on your material first. What we like. Best bang for your buck. Compared to the Cricut Maker, you'll save up to $150 while cutting vinyl, paper, and most materials just as accurately and quickly. A beautiful design, with 3 modern yet vintage colors. Cuts paper and vinyl quickly with its 2x fast mode. Supports Bluetooth and wireless cutting. What we don't like. It can be difficult to cut through fabrics. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cricut Joy Machine Compact and Portable DIY Machine. The Cricut Joy is the cutest, smallest cutting unit on the market. However, don't let the small design fool you into thinking it's worthless and powerless. On the contrary, this compact machine is packed with impressive features. You will be amazed by what it can do for your projects. It's lightweight and affordable. This Unit L is perfect for beginners and passionate crafters. However, professionals can also enjoy it. This baby provides precise cuts, easy custom card making, and matless cutting. If you're looking for a simple cutting machine, look no further than the Joy. It's operated by the apps you can utilize on your phone, tablet, or computer. It provides wireless cutting and other amazing functions you can enjoy. Hurry and buy your Joy at Cricut Store. The only disadvantage is the lack of features. You will have to buy accessories like smart materials, cutting mats and card mats if you want to get the most out of your projects. Also, it's not built for heavy materials. Pros. Bluetooth connectivity. Works with over 50 materials. Ideal for beginners and crafters. Performs with smart materials. It can cut, write/draw. Cons. Software issues while updating. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.